3. Android Application Architecture. A. Introduction to Android Application Architecture. Android application architecture refers to the way an Android app is organized and structured, including the patterns, principles, and components used to design and build the app. There are several popular architectures used in Android app development, including 1. Model View Controller, MVC. This is a traditional architectural pattern where the app is divided into three main components: model, view, and controller. 2. Model View Presenter, MVP. This is a variation of the MVC pattern that separates the responsibilities of the view and the controller. 3. Model View View Model, MVVM. This is a modern architectural pattern that separates the view from the model using a view model. These are just a few examples of the various application architectures used in Android app development. The choice of architecture depends on factors such as project requirements, team preferences, and development practices. Understanding different architectures and their pros and cons can help you make informed decisions when designing and building Android apps. B. Model View View Model, MVVM, Design Pattern. MVVM is a modern architectural pattern used in Android app development that aims to separate the view, user interface, model, data and business logic, and view model, intermediary between view and model. 1. Model. The model represents the data and business logic of the application. It can include data sources such as local or remote databases, APIs, or repositories that handle data retrieval and storage. 2. View. The view represents the user interface of the application. It can include activities, fragments, or views that display the UI elements to the user. 3. View Model. The view model acts as an intermediary between the view and the model. It exposes the data and commands required by the view through observable properties and commands. Overall, MVVM is a powerful and widely used architectural pattern in Android app development that promotes separation of concerns, testability, and maintainability. It has gained popularity due to its support for data binding, loose coupling, and improved UI updates, making it a preferred choice for many Android developers. See LiveData and Data Binding Libraries. LiveData and Data Binding are two popular libraries in Android that work well with the MVVM architecture to simplify the management of data flow between the view and the view model, and to facilitate data binding for UI updates. Here's a brief overview of both libraries. 1. LiveData. LiveData is a lifecycle-aware data holder class in Android that can hold and observe data, and automatically update the UI when the data changes. 2. Data Binding. Data Binding is a library in Android that allows for binding UI components directly to data sources in the view model, eliminating the need for manual find view by ID calls and reducing boilerplate code. Overall, LiveData and Data Binding are powerful libraries in Android that enhance the MVVM architecture by simplifying data flow and UI updates, and reducing boilerplate code. They are widely used in modern Android app development to improve the maintainability, testability, and performance of the code. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.